is an ancient practice that originated from India around 3000 BC. In its entirety, yoga is actually a deeply spiritual discipline which incorporates philosophical, mental and of course, spiritual elements. Yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty to body, mind and soul. Yoga is not a workout, it is a work in. And this is the point of spiritual practice, to make us teachable, to open up our hearts and focus our awareness, so that we can know what we already know, and be who we already are. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Yoga does not transform the way we see things, it transforms the person who sees. The body benefits from movement, and the mind benefits from stillness. Inner peace begins the moment you choose not to allow another person or event to control your emotions. It's natural, we want to help keep it around. Yoga takes you into the present moment, the only place where life exists. Through sustained focus and meditation on our patterns, habits, and conditioning, we gain knowledge and understanding of our past and how we can change the patterns that aren't serving us to live more freely and fully. It is through your body that you realize you are a spark of divinity. Calmness of mind is attained by cultivating friendliness toward the happy, compassion for the unhappy, delight in the virtuous, and indifference toward the wicked. is the hardest task, na?